Hey, I'm Sam Clark with Crimson Education, and these are the top 5 reasons why you should join the Tiger Global Case Competition. Let's do this. So first of all, what is the Tiger Global Case Competition, or TGCC? TGCC is the world's largest global virtual case competition specifically for high school students. So it's an incredible opportunity for students like you, ambitious students, driven students, to step in the shoes of a CEO or a consultant to solve real-world business issues that business leaders around the world are solving every single day. It's a competition. You put together a team of your friends at your high school or in your community, and you work as a team to tackle these real-world problems on the virtual stage. Teams are presented with a current company's real-world challenges, and then they have to tackle it, they have to solve it, and the team who cracks the case best ends up winning and advancing in the competition with real-world, incredible, innovative judges and industry experts. So let's talk a bit more about it. Before I get started on the 5 reasons, registrations close on August 3rd, so super soon. Registrations only take about 5 minutes to do, so put your team together, register before you regret it, and you'll enter into something that's going to change your life forever, and here are some of the reasons why. Reason number 1 to join TGCC. It's a really strong feature on your college application. TGCC alumni have used their experience at the competition on their college application both as an extracurricular feature and as a way of boosting their own skills and giving them stories to talk about as they talk about their own future in entrepreneurship. And they've used it to get into some of the world's best schools, including the University of Pennsylvania's world-renowned Wharton School of Business and the University of Oxford. The competition is not only a great thing to talk about in that extracurricular section of your application, but also is a perfect opportunity to draw experiences and stories for those Common App personal essays. And it's going to give you the soft and hard skills that you need to be an amazing critical thinker and entrepreneur. Reason number 2 to join TGCC is its amazing prizes. There are cash prizes, there are prizes to get Crimson credit to use some of Crimson Education's amazing wide array of services, but there's also an unprecedented chance to win educational experiences that money simply can't buy. If you do well in the case competition, you can win exclusive internships with some of the world's top companies and exclusive mentorships with some of the greatest minds and innovators in the industry. Notable mentors include Jamie Beaton, who is the CEO and founder of Crimson Education, as well as a graduate of Harvard and Stanford Business School and Yale Law School, and he also got a Rhodes Scholarship to Oxford, as well as Julian Robertson, who's one of the most respected investors and managers on the planet. Julian Robertson is said to impact, I quote, trillions of dollars of assets under management because there are simply so many people who work for him directly or indirectly. So that's absolutely incredible. Win that mentorship, enter the competition today. Reason number 3 is amazing webinars from top industry experts. So the Tiger Global Case Competition is a competition, yes, but it's not just a competition. Part of what happens when you become a part of TGCC is you get to take exclusive webinars and workshops from top industry experts all around the world. These experts, professors, and investors not only help you and prepare you for the case release that's to come once the competition itself starts, but they also give you a sneak peek into what the industry looks like and give you the skills that you need and work directly with you to become the successful entrepreneur that you need to be. Past webinars have included kickstarting your career in entrepreneurship and finance, understanding the path to McKinsey and other top consulting firms, and plain and simple, teaching you how to win global competitions. Some of the other webinars get more into the minutia of pitching, telling you how to develop a deck and presentation, telling you how to pitch, telling you how to work on your feet, crack a case, and deliver your pitch, and so much more. You get all these webinars just for the $15 price of applying. So it's a no-brainer, do it. Reason number 4, simply put, skills. Over the several days of competition and workshops, TGCC is going to give you the skills that you need to succeed as an entrepreneur in the future, as a consultant in the future, as an investor in the future, as a finance expert in the future, but also skills that you're going to need both for your college application and to be a successful collegiate mind once you get to college. You're going to be able to come up with and present effective solutions to business problems and so much more. It's an unprecedented opportunity, especially as a high schooler, and you're going to gain those skills. So that's reason number 4. Reason number 5, and this takes me to what you need to do right now to apply, is that there's no barriers to entry, plain and simple. Anyone in the world ages 13 to 18 can join this competition. The financial barrier is extremely low, it's just $15 a person, and you can put together a team of your friends, of your classmates, of your peers. No matter where you are in the world, you can be a part of the Tiger Global Case Competition, connect with students from around the world, connect with the world's best industry experts in the world and academic minds in the world. And I've said it before in this very video, it's a no-brainer. Do it right now. Final thing I'll add here, I've talked a lot about industry experts, financial experts, and so much more. You don't need to have any knowledge of finance or business in order to apply. That's part of the reason for these workshops. The workshops and webinars from industry experts are going to give you the business acumen you need to dive into the competition. And who knows, maybe you'll win. So plain and simple, what are you waiting for? Gather up your team, fill out the application. It'll take you 5 minutes to complete, and register before registrations close on August 3rd. I'm Sam Clark with Crimson Education. I can't wait to check out the competition and see so many of you YouTube subscribers and viewers out there being a part of it, learning how to do business and doing business yourselves with some of the most brilliant minds on the planet.